working? You wanna open the garage door?
Welcome to Zaynn's Adventure.
You know what I got more?
Yes.
I got you a Spider-Man. Ooh. You wanna give Spider-Man a ride?
Yeah.
Let's do that. He'll sit over here. Maybe you wanna make him sit over here. Okay. That's good. Here we go. Oh, here comes the Spider-Man. Hi, Zayn.
Hi.
Where is the Spider-Man going?
Here.
You are giving him a ride?
Yeah.
Awesome. Oh, careful. Yay.
This my tractor sitting in John Deere.
Yeah. That is a bigger one.
This is a bigger one.
Yep. But it looks alike, right?
The 1, 2, 3, 4. These headlights is John Deere. The old John Deere's headlights is this shape over.
Yeah.
I have one go from KidTrax.
You have Mow and Go lawnmower from KidTrax?
Yeah.
Let's open it up.
It spins.
Wow, it does. It has a button that spins.
Open it.
Let's open it. Come. Help us.
What? The blade is orange.
Blade is orange?
The blade is to be black.
Really?
Yeah.
Let's open it up and see.
The top is orange.
Let's open it up. Here we go. Here's the day. Here's the day. Mow and Go 6-volt battery powered ride-on lawnmower. And Zayn loves it. It takes up to 40 pounds.
40.
Yeah, it comes out.
But I'm 4 years, but the number is 4.
40 pounds.
Oh, so it just fits me. See?
Wow.
It fits me.
Yep.
See?
Wow. Awesome. Let's see. Oh my gosh, then let's see the blade. Can we show your friends? Look at that. Show it. Oh, how it rotates. Oh, wow. That is beautiful, Zayn. Wow, look at that. You collected some leaves over there. Ah, nice. So, this is your seat. And it comes with this steering wheel, which steers your lawnmower. And you have your speedometer and stuff in here. And you have a, what's this? Button to rotate that, your blade. And you open it. Let's show the battery.
Show the battery.
Yep.
Now do it with your nails.
This one is a little tricky because it has that. Wow, it's so cool, Zayn.
It's cool. It's cool, but my friend Jason was riding Vespa, but same speed.
Same speed? Oh.
Yeah.
What do you think is the speed? It goes?
It's going in 0 meter.
No, its maximum speed is 1.5 miles per hour. See? Over here, it's 1.5 mile.
Dad, open it with a penny. No,
Yeah.
this is unlocked. No, this is unlocked.
This one is always tricky. Remember last time too when we bought it?
This is always tricky.
Are you happy?
Yeah.
How much happy are you? And see, look at this. It opens up and here's the battery.
There's battery. So that'll probably put like this.
It's already hooked up.
It's not hooked up.
It's not hooked up? Okay.
No, this one.
Oh yeah, Zayn. Good job, Zayn. Careful. And we need to charge now, right?
Charge. charge is fully.
You sure you're gonna do that, Zayn? Let your dad do it. Oh, wow.
Give me the seat.
Put the seat and let's log it up. Okay. You got it, Zayn. You know what I got more?
Yes.
I got you a Spider-Man. Ooh. You want to give Spider-Man a ride?
Yeah.
Let's do that. He'll sit over here. Maybe you want to make him sit over here. Okay. Okay, that's good. Here you go. Oh, here comes the Spider-Man. Hi, Zayn.
Hi.
Where is the Spider-Man going?
Here.
You are giving him a ride?
Yeah.
Awesome. Oh, careful. Uh-oh. Spider-Man is falling. Hold it like this. Make sure he's getting a good ride. Spider-Man is so excited. Hey. Whoa! Spider-Man! Spider-Man! Uh-huh.
When I was pizza here,
Uh-huh.
my feet went up. A motorbike house ride.
Okay. Wow. So you can come back. Oh. Spider-Man. Yay, like that, like that. That is cool. You are like a, yeah. Oh my gosh! Oh, that's a wheelie! That's a wheelie! Let's do it! Whoa! You are a Spider-Man now!
Look at
Here comes the Spider-Man! Enjoy your ride! Wow!
3, 2, 1.
Go!
Out of the
Wow! It works, eh? Wow! Whoa! Hey, Zayn! What you doing? What you doing, lawnmower? Look at that! Are you mowing the lawn? Like Blippi lawnmower? Oh, maybe the battery is over. We need to charge.
battery's over.
The first time we need... Oh! Whoa! Yeah. But still it needs to be charged. Is the battery over? Whoa. Yeah, we can.
Guys, next time listen to repeats and watch my videos. Bye.
Bye! You enjoy your ride with the
Spider-Man.
awesome.
Yay! I'm gonna do something. Ow! Oh. That was I was asking. for so many days, this thing.
But FedEx did not get it, so I had to go to the far Walmart and get it for you.
Oh. So, is this thing heavy? The name is, and not just to read, so I can just call it John Deere.
Don't, Zayn, don't joke. Can you tell me the right name?
Mow and Go lawnmower.
Mow and Go lawnmower.
But the shape looks like a tractor.
Yeah, it
so
does look like
it a tractor.
Because ride-on lawnmower looks like a tractor, Zayn. You know that. You know that, right?
Oh.
Leave it. Leave it.
What is this?
It's a tractor. One lawnmower.
Who got it for you?
Process.
Huh? Is this FedEx or something?
Yeah. See.
She's a FedEx driver?
Yeah.
Huh?
Let's go inside and open it up.
We were waiting for FedEx.
You want to watch